Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So this is a brand new 2025 Alliance Avenue, and it is a 23ML. And the guys just came into the office, my technicians, and said, "Hey boss, this unit's here and we're doing a Roadmaster Comfort Ride upgrade to it. It's less than a year old. I believe even the data manufacturer was something like March of 2025. And so they came up this morning and said, hey, I'm getting ready to drop the suspension off this to go ahead and do that. And of course, this has got the More Ride suspension on it, the CRE 3000, which you've seen all of our videos and articles about those. But here's the crack. Now, this is the first unit that we've had that's an Alliance that's had frame cracks in it. And so these frame cracks can pretty much develop anywhere on the I-beam. So these are quite tall I-beams. Typically, they'll either crack in the center above the hanger. They can crack behind the hanger, before the hanger. A lot of times we'll see that the reinforcement cross tube, which this is the tube underneath the I-beam, sometimes these will crack and damage as well. A lot of times the hangers will break loose. And this one actually has the V-braces in it, which is nice. So some of the other frame stuff that we've been working on, the different bulletins, and this is a Lippert frame, by the way, they don't have the V-brace inside the hanger, so we've been having to add those quite regularly, as well as doing reinforcements and then fixing the cracks in the plates and adding cross tubes on them on the actual eye itself. So you can check out our other videos online on our YouTube channel. There's a folder for that, and we're constantly doing that. That's something that's happening all the time. Here's a Solitude right here getting repaired for the same thing. There's another one. There's a Keystone. It happens on pretty much anything that has a Lippert frame for the most part. And again, we don't know why. We don't know if it's a combination of, weight of the coach, driving habits. The roads nowadays are horrible. Whether, basically this thing's doing this and those I-beams are doing that, and especially on the suspension. So, could it be tight, hard turns? Could it be potholes? Could it be bridge toll? Could it be like, the parking lots? We don't really know, but it's constant. So there is fixes out there for them, and we have been fixing them now for at least, I don't know, so I'm gonna say 3+ years, maybe even longer. But anyway, stay tuned for more. We're gonna let you know. We're gonna submit this to Alliance. This will be our first one again, and if Alliance doesn't want to approve it, then we'll go ahead and contact Lippert, and so we'll go from there. But anyway, stay tuned for more. Again, this is a 2025 23ML. And we will let you know what happens. And I don't know if I came over here and got a video of these ones. So this is the other crack over here, and there's the other crack over there. This one's not too bad. It's just starting. So, but all right, well, stay tuned for more. And thanks so much for watching. It's Dustin, your Urban Specialist.